Uh, Welcome all of you. I am Hansara from 24 batch, Department of the Earth Resource Engineering, University of Moratuwa. Today I am present to our design project, AquaClean Surface Board, relating to our model Introduction to Mining Engineering Design and Workshop Technology. Uh, so our project is called AquaClean Surface Board. It's designed to clean floating wastage from water surfaces such as lakes and ponds. So we use a remote control system to navigate it on the water easily. The highlight of our design is the conveyor belt mechanism, which efficiently collects floating wastage. Overall, this project um, provides a low-cost, simple solution to reduce water pollution and improve environmental cleanliness. So we observe some environmental issues. One is rising pollution from floating wastage, uh, plastics, polythenes, leaves floating on water bodies, inefficient, time consuming manual cleaning of water surfaces, and engineering solution needed to clean water and prevent floods. So our problem identification is there are a lot of floating wastage in water uh, surfaces. So it creates environmental pollution. So also it increases the flood risk. So we need some of requirements. Uh, we have to create our project AquaClean surface water. AquaClean surface board uh, to float on water, and it should be moves in all directions. Also collecting, it should collect water, uh, floating wastage, and that wastage should be uh, on the boat on board. And the functional, non-functional requirements are it should be low cost. Otherwise, the investors can't afford it, and it should be lightweight. The board, the board, and it should be durable, and it should not be harmful for any creatures in the water. So we identify some of existing and advanced systems to clean the water surfaces. One is manual net. We can use a manual net for clean the surfaces. Other one is remote control board. Other Another was conveyor belt wastage collector, and also some advanced boat is solar powered autonomous boat. So we choose as our design project the conveyor belt wastage collector because comparing to the solar boat, solar powered autonomous boat, uh, our projectors uh, more less complexity in technical technical way, uh, and also uh, our efficient was were somehow high than the manual net or remote control board. So we choose conveyor belt wastage collector as our design project. This is our final design board, and this is our some of our photo team members' photographs, uh, and uh, we are contributing our time and our research capacity as teamwork, and we improve our problem solving skills, also project management skills, and uh, we learn to how to schedule a project and how it is practical. So as the conclusion, the Aquaclane surface boat, our project is a practical, budget-friendly uh, for removing floating wastage from lakes and ponds. The project meet its design goals, proving the engineering principles can effectively solve real-world environmental issues. So this is our team members, Vijay Surya, Hansara Dasmi, Insuka Pereira, and Teshan. So thank you for uh, giving time to uh, present our design project. And uh, thank you again, all of you.